Hi, this is Jill with Chic On The Cheap. We're at my project in Bentry. We've worked with this family before, but now it was time to do their kitchen. So our goal was to increase the function and flow for this fantastic family of 5. All the F words I'm allowed to say on camera. To get to those goals, we removed a wall that closed the kitchen in, and now we have a direct line of sight to the front door and the dining room. We also changed an angled exterior wall to be a nice 90-degree angle that gave us a lot of usable interior space. So now we have a massive kitchen island. We wanted to keep the overall feel light and bright, so we went with just a simple white shaker for the cabinetry profile and color, but we accented it with black hardware. To keep things feeling warm, we went with a rift-cut white oak island and floating shelves. And we sourced the beautiful sconces from McGee & Co. They're a taupe leather exterior with a brass interior. We repeated that brass on the wall sconces from Visual Comforts over each window. It overlooks their pool patio so you can watch the kids swim. Then we got beautiful bar stools from Ballard. And on the architectural finishes side, we got a beautiful quartz countertop that's Pompeii's Mysterio, and we ran it up the wall to function as the backsplash. In the kitchen, we have a few niceties, bells and whistles. We have a wall-mounted pot filler, and then we also have a concealed coffee station. There is a beautiful pantry that was once a bar. Young kids don't need bars, they need snacks, and you want to have those organized. Welcome to our uber organized pantry. Definitely pantry goals here. Oh yeah. All right, the last space we touched was the fireplace in the living room. It was dated. So we did beautiful white woodworking, some nice panels around the fireplace, and we have a chunky rift-cut white oak mantle, and then some timeless marble around the fireplace. That completes our tour. Thank you for joining me. Catch you next time. Bye.